All right, Gabby, appreciate you being on that for us this morning here. Let's switch gears at 9:14. You know, most dog owners are familiar with heartworm. You take pills for that here, but did you know there are other common internal parasites that dogs can acquire here? And Dr. Alicia Howser is here to inform us on the different kinds and what to do if you fear that that might be the case for yours. And every single parasite we're talking about ends with worm here. So this is not good stuff. And is this something we have to be thinking about even in the winter months?
Absolutely. We want to think about this year round.
Okay.
Roundworms are the most common type of intestinal parasite that dogs can get.
Okay.
1 out of 28 dogs will test positive for roundworm in the state of Indiana. The main signs that we see when our dogs are infected with this is diarrhea, vomiting, and weight loss, but puppies especially can also display a dull hair coat and a pot-bellied appearance. Dogs in general can get this from the environment, being exposed to wild animals and other dogs' stool, and puppies can actually get it while in the womb from their mother and from nursing.
Now Grizz here is healthy, right? Has Grizz ever faced any of this stuff here? I hope not.
No, I don't think so. He's a pretty healthy little guy, kept on preventative regularly.
Okay, good. So roundworm is one issue. Let's talk about some of the other
Sure.
worms, tapeworms.
Yes, so tapeworms actually don't cause that many clinical signs. They can cause diarrhea, but generally what owners notice is the small pieces of the worm in their animal's elimination, and these look like grains of white rice, and these are actually got from ingesting fleas.
So this is the commonality here, right? They all get these illnesses from ingesting something.
Sure,
right?
Exactly. There's some form of exposure in the environment.
Okay.
The main ones in the environment that we worry about that are just persist in dirt actually are hookworms and whipworms, and these ones can be very serious because they cause anemia. The worms will actually eat the blood of their host, so the dogs experience internal blood loss and can become very sick. Also, they show signs of bloody stool and weight loss.
Okay, we know about, again, heartworm. You take a medication for that. What about the others that we're talking about, and what are the treatment options?
Sure. So the best way for prevention of these worms is to regularly clean up your dog's elimination in the yard. Do your best to keep your dogs away from other wild animals and other dogs' stool if possible. Also, regular flea preventative is really important, and deworming your pets. Puppies should be dewormed as early as 2 weeks of age, since they do get roundworms, especially from their mother.
What is the treatment process like if you have a dog that tests positive for one of these?
It's generally an oral medication that you give for a couple of days, and then you repeat the course in 3 weeks. It's not too bad at all.
Okay, but things to look out for if you're a dog owner. Dr. Howser with Indyvet, thanks so much. If you'd like more information, any of the symptoms and treatment options, just log on to fox59.com. We've got it right there in the links section. You're very attentive, Grizzy.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
He's a good boy.
All right, let's talk to Jim at 9:17.
All right, thanks a lot, Ray. Yeah, certainly a busy morning outside. We've had anywhere from free